Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today you will see me drawing, you won't see me, you will see my hands drawing this awesome stylized portrait of Mr. Aamir Khan, one of my favorite person and an inspiration who has inspired me to push limits and stay dedicated to my work. So lately I have been asked by many of you regarding how I draw my sketches and what pencil do I use. So let me tell you the pencil. The pencil is Pentel Graph Gear 1000. That's the name of the pencil that I use. It's a 0.5 mm mechanical pencil that I use, and mostly I use HB lead for drawing sketches. So people ask me to show me the process that I use to draw sketches. I would have used the HB mechanical pencil that I generally use for my sketches, but due to lighting issues, as I am shooting this video at midnight and the pencil isn't that much visible because of bad lighting, so I decided to go directly with my micron pens, so that you guys can get a clear view of what I am sketching. I always start my freehand sketches with the eye first, and if you want to know the whole step-by-step process and what's going on in my head while sketching, then you can check my tutorial video for that. Link is given in the description below. I have explained every step and thought process while doing a freehand portrait. In the description, there are other links for my previous tutorials on how to draw a front facing and profile view face. You can check it out. I'm pretty sure that you will find it really helpful to draw faces from imagination and to simplify faces while sketching freehand. So friends, I also want to talk about a perception among beginner artists that if you can draw freehand sketches, mainly portraits, then you are a master artist, you are a pro. Otherwise, you are just a wannabe artist if you can't draw anything freehand. Well, I used to think that too, but this is just a perception, a very trivial perception. I don't think it matters much whether you use freehand or use grids or just copy it. If the end result is great and unique, nobody is going to bother. I have seen many great artists using transfer paper to copy outlines. They also use grids. So I don't think there is a big deal in that. Drawing freehand has its own pros and cons, and I can make another video discussing about that only. In this video, let me tell you about a few pros and cons of freehand sketching. So let me start with a positive point. Freehand sketching makes you independent, and it also helps to draw from imagination or drawing live. But on the other hand, there are times when freehand drawings can be really frustrating because it requires a lot of time and attention. Let's suppose you are doing portrait commissions. Okay, so there are many of such commissions that you have to do. Then you don't have time to draw freehand because it will take a lot of time. Similarly, if you are working on a huge canvas, it is so difficult to draw it freehand. Freehand drawing isn't a big deal, my friends. All you have to do is practice, and a lot of practice if you wanna do really good and exact drawings. And I'm glad to say that with the help of my tutorials, you can learn it very easily and in a very systematic way. That's all I have to say. I hope you liked this video, and if you have got any queries, then comment below. And hey, Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and share it with your friends. It will really motivate me to make such videos for you. Thank you all for watching and listening. See you in the next video. Take care and sayonara.